Hi, I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this video I'm going to be looking at our wood finishing oils. In general, using an oil to finish either stained or bare wood is a good option to provide protection from daily use, weather and moisture resistance. And oil will really bring out the natural beauty of the wood, and the good thing with oil is that it's really easy to apply, so anybody can treat their wood while achieving stunning results. When it comes to choosing a specific oil, it mostly comes down to the environment the item is going to be used in and how you want the finished article to look. So in this video we'll concentrate on our Danish oil. Our Danish oil is a unique blend of natural oils and resins which provide additional durability and wear resistance that enhance the natural beauty of all types of wood. It's one of our most durable oils and as such suitable for high use areas such as flooring, dining tables and kitchen worktops, and also gives excellent water and stain protection. And it's completely non-toxic and food safe when dry, so it's also perfect for children's furniture and for finishing wooden toys or any other project. Our Danish oil dries to a natural lustrous satin finish, enhancing the beauty of the grain. The overall final finish will depend on the type of wood the oil is being used on. Here you can see the effects on three different pieces: beech, oak and walnut, so light to dark coloured woods. See how the oil darkens them to a different degree, and remember that grain will really pop differently through the different species of wood. So it's always a good idea to test in an inconspicuous area first to make sure you will be happy with the results. The oil is very easy to apply, just make sure the wood is clean and dry. Apply liberally to a lint-free cloth and simply wipe into the wood following the direction of the grain. The viscosity of this oil is just right, which makes it easy to apply and allows it to penetrate deep into the fibres of the wood, which means any excess can be wiped away after only a few minutes of it being applied. Additional coats can be applied in the same way after the previous is dried to build up the layers and the overall protection. This is a quicker drying oil than some, with a recoat time of only 4 to 6 hours. If it needs it, a light rub down between coats with fine sandpaper just to denib and smooth off the surface will give you that professional finished natural look and feel. It's that simple and easy to use, and remember you should reapply the oil annually to keep your wooden items well maintained. If you found this video useful, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.